Hey, your weekend gardener here with a video for all my beginners who want to grow indoors and they're worried about fungus, gnats, and all other kind of little nasty, creepy things they don't want in the house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to grow within this Coco Coir, which is a brick. I ordered this. Never tried this before. Heard a lot of good things about it. What you're supposed to do is put it in a container, pour water all over it, and it's supposed to expand. I'm not sure how much it's going to expand because I've never done this before. They said this is pH neutral, which means that it needs some amendments in it in order for the plant to eat. What I mean by amendments is some of your granular fertilizers you can put in here. Also, they recommend that you put perlite in here for drainage. But this stuff is actually made of coconut. I believe it's the shell of a coconut. You're supposed to use warm water. It makes it expand faster. I'm not using warm water. I'm not in a hurry. First time trying this. I got a gallon of water. This is actually rainwater, so it's nothing from inside the house. If it's too much water, I add more cocoa. But so far, this is what I've done, a half a gallon. They say it takes about 30 minutes or so before it absorbs. If you use warm water, it's supposed to be faster than that. But like I said, if you're in a hurry, I get it. I'm not in a hurry. What I want to do is I want to plant a few things inside the house, such as tomatoes. I probably should have had those tomatoes and potted up probably about a week, 2 weeks ago. My first frost, or my last frost date is April 15th. Today is actually the 14th of March. So I need to get a move on. It's just been busy. So here we go. As you can see so far, it's gotten bigger. It's gotten taller. So stay tuned. I got other stuff I need to do in the yard. While this is doing this, I got other stuff I need to do. I'm going to put more water in here. Yeah, I got more stuff in the yard I need to do. So while one thing is working, I'm going to be working on something else. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. And this is what we have from one block. What I did is I added about a gallon and a half of water to one block. This one block turned into this. And I left it overnight. Like I said, I wasn't in a hurry. So what I'm going to do now is add some perlite. I have a little bit in here, but I'm going to add more. This bag is almost empty. But I do want to put in about 2 more cups of perlite to fluffen it up and help with water. I got some fertilizer, just some generic fertilizer for tomatoes and vegetables. I want to add that up. Covers 250 square feet. And like I said earlier, with Coco Coir, it's neutral. So pH is neutral, and it doesn't have anything in here to feed plants. So the next step is mixing in. Got to do a little bit more because, like I said, this is not enough perlite. That's not bad for one brick. So imagine if you had if I had used all these bricks, I could do a lot of planting. But this is just for my tomatoes and peppers, which in about a week I'll be able to start planting indoors. My last frost, like I said earlier, is on the 15th of April. So with this starting inside, I shouldn't have to worry about pests because I don't think pests really lay eggs in this stuff. I don't know. If I do see that happening, what I may do is add sand at the top and water from the bottom. Okay, there you have it. Just a little short video on Coco Coir. First time trying it. I think I'm sold. I'm a customer. Take care. Peace.